Hey guys, 𝘃𝗏 back here with new exciting video, and in this video guys I'm going to show you how you can create your own portfolio website with WordPress. If you don't know what is a portfolio website, well, in this type of website you'd simply display the work that you have created and your skill as well as your experience on your website. By watching this video you will be able to create a portfolio website for yourself, or you can create this type of portfolio website for your client. So without wasting more time, let's get started and let's create a portfolio website with WordPress. Okay, to create any website, whether it's e-commerce or portfolio website or blog or any kind of website, there are two requirements: web hosting and domain name. Web hosting is a place where all your website file will be stored, and domain name is your website name, like google.com, amazon.com, flipkart.com, and so on. Without these two things, your website can't be live. So we need a web hosting and domain name. There are many web hosting companies out there, but handful of them are the best. You can check out the description box of this video to learn more about the best web hosting for your website. But in this video, I'll give you my one of the best web hosting which I personally use, so I think you should use that web hosting as well. Now open your web browser and type this URL: 𝑟unasvfx/gd, stands for GoDaddy, and press enter and you will land on GoDaddy's website. On this page you will see different types of plan. We have starter plan, we have economy, deluxe, ultimate. In the starter plan, you can create only one website. If you go with economy, deluxe or ultimate plan, you will get a free domain name as well. But in the economy plan, you can create one website as well. But if you want to create multiple websites, or you want to host multiple domains on single web hosting, then you should go with deluxe or ultimate. If you keep scrolling down, you can read more features about these plans. This is a Linux plan detail. You can see here, this is the ultimate web hosting companies out there, guys. Anyways, if you're just getting started, you can go with this economy plan, click on add to cart. So in this page, you have to search for your domain name because you will get a free domain name with deluxe plan. So I'm going to type something like portfolios, and then click on submit. And let's see, this domain is unavailable. Let's try something else. Put me here. Let's click submit and let's see, and you can see this domain is available. And now click on select and continue. Once you're happy with your domain, and remember, domain name is going to be your website name, guys. Once you're happy with your domain, click select and continue. So guys, in the left side you can see we have the billing cycle. Go to this drop down menu, select the billing cycle that you want. I'll go with 12 month. Higher you go, more the discount you will get. If you go 16 months or 36 months, you will get 51% discount with GoDaddy. I'm happy with 44% discount with 12 month. So I'll go with 12 month. With this plan, you can see I'm getting the professional email for 1 year, and I'm getting a free domain name as well, which is awesome, guys. In the right side, you can see we have the promo code 𝘃𝗶𝗲 here, which helps me to get more discount. If this coupon code does not work for you, check out the description box of this video. You may find more promo code down below the video description to get best discount in your web hosting. Once you're happy with these changes, click on I'm ready to pay. Now in this page, you have to create an account if you don't have one. You can create an account with your social media icons like Facebook, Google or email. I'll go with email. Type your email, type your username and type your password, and then click on create account. I'm gonna save my password. Okay, so guys, here you have to fill this billing information like your country, first name, last name, phone number, so on and so forth. Once you fill in this detail, right side you will see the payment that you have to pay to get your web hosting. So let's quickly fill these details and then click save. Now select your payment method. I'm from India, I can use UPI. Type your UPI ID and click on review order. There you go. And now simply click on complete purchase. Okay, so this is how you buy a web hosting from GoDaddy. Then go to My Account. If you do not know where is My Account tab, you can simply go to your profile, this drop down button, and then you can click on My Product. Let's scroll down. Now click on manage all alongside web hosting. Now click on this drop down button and click on setup. So now you have to select your domain. I'm going to select this domain that we just bought with this plan. So here you have to select your data center. I'm going to select Asia. Now click on yes, let's do it. Type your WordPress username and create your password, and type your password once again and then click on next. So here you can create a branded email ID which look more professional, and then click on finish. So this process can take few minutes. Updating domain, applying things, onboarding completed successfully. Now click on go to the dashboard. So I'm gonna click on no, I don't want to participate, and then click on confirm. So guys, we have successfully installed a WordPress. To access your WordPress dashboard, simply click on admin, scroll down and click on use default WordPress, and then click on yes, I'm sure, and then click on no thanks, I just want to exit. Okay, so this is the dashboard of WordPress and this is the fresh installation as you can see here. And I've changed my domain name for some reason, and this is a local website, but it doesn't really matter. We still can create a portfolio website, and let's see how you're gonna do it. But first of all, let's take a look at the default WordPress website. However, you mouse over here, let's visit your site in a new tab, and you can see this is a default WordPress website. Looks like there is no content here. This is a boring design here, and this is a 2022 theme. If you're totally new to WordPress, don't worry, I'll show you each and everything. This is going to be completely beginner tutorial. I'll walk you through step-by-step process how to create a portfolio website from start to finish. Okay, let's close this out. Here you can see we are inside the dashboard. Let's install a theme. To do it, let's hover your mouse over theme and click on themes. Here you can see we have 3 different types of theme installed over here. First of all, delete all of them. Select, click delete, click OK. You cannot delete this one because this is already activated. Once you install a new theme, then you can delete this 2022 theme as well. Let's click on add new and then click on upload theme. So guys, here you have to upload your theme. Now leave this page as it is, open a new tab and type this URL, runasvfx/theme_hunc, and then press enter. And you will land on the best WordPress theme and template website, which is 𝘃𝗁hunc. So guys, on this website, you will get all the premium WordPress theme and plugins. First of all, hover your mouse over this drop down menu alongside themes and then click on Pro Themes, which means professional themes. Now here you will see all the premium WordPress theme collection. Now scroll down and find this portfolio line theme that we are looking for. Click on view more. So guys, this is a theme that we are going to install in this video. This is a professional or premium WordPress theme for professional looking portfolio website. If you scroll down, you can see this theme has 1, 2, 3, 4 types of templates that you can use. You can go to the theme features and read more about the theme. Okay, this is one of the best and premium theme out there to create portfolio website for your business. To get this theme, simply click on buy now button. Now you will see the plans of 𝘃𝗁hunc. We have annual plan and we have lifetime plan. In lifetime, you can see we have single and full membership. Single, you will use only single theme. In full membership, you can use 20 plus themes and 5 plugins. If you're just getting started, you can start with annual plan if you like. But if you want your portfolio website to live forever, you can go with lifetime plan. Here you will have 2 options. You can either go with single or full membership. If you go with full membership, you will get 20 plus themes and 5 plus plugins, and all of them are premium plugins and premium themes. I think this is worth the money to buy this plan. If you don't have budget for this, you can go with single theme. Simply click on buy now button. So guys, here select your membership type, portfolio, multi-purpose theme, lifetime, and this is the money that you have to pay. Scroll down, select the payment method that you like, Stripe, PayPal, FastSpring, and of course, don't forget to check out these services, and these are the totally optional services. If you want them, add them into your cart and complete your payment. But right now, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna select PayPal here, type your name, first name, last name, select your country and complete this CAPTCHA. Click next. It will redirect to you the PayPal section where you have to pay $149 only for lifetime access for single theme. So I'm not gonna buy this because I already purchased the full membership of 𝘃𝗁𝗁𝗃. Let me show you. If I go to my account, scroll up, let's go to members login. So here you can see I have full membership, lifetime access of the 𝘃𝗁𝗁𝗃 because I knew that 𝘃𝗁𝗁𝗃 is offering a premium quality theme at this price point, so I quickly buy it. Okay, so don't skip this opportunity. Go ahead, buy the full membership access if you have a budget. Otherwise you can go with single theme. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna close it out. Anyways, once you purchase your plan, scroll down and download your theme. This is the one that we are going to install. Once you download your theme, as you can see over here, let's close everything out except your website. Now all you have to do, just drag and drop your theme file over here and click on install now, and then simply click on activate. It will activate your theme. There you go. Now you can visit your site and let's take a look at your website. So you can see we installed the theme, but it still looks boring. You can see here there is no content here. Now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part we are going to install a demo content. With the help of this demo content, you can easily create your portfolio website. You don't have to do anything. Okay, let me show you how. Simply hover your mouse over appearance, or under the appearance you will see this 𝘃𝗁𝗁𝗃 sites. Click on that. So guys, here you will see all the templates that you can use. So in this video we are going to use this one. Click on it and then click on install plugins. Right side you will see the preview while this plugin installing. Alright, so we have successfully installed the plugin. Now it's time to import this site. Click on it and ignore this warning, simply click OK. So it may take few minutes, so I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once I import all the demo contents like pages, media, so on and so forth. So I'll see you there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully imported the demo content, or you can say each and everything that includes in this template. And you will see this button right here, done, view site. Click on it and you will see your website new design. If you keep scrolling down, you can see your website looks like right now. Awesome, right? Let's close this out and click over here to close this one. Let's go to the dashboard. Now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, we are going to look at the essential settings of WordPress. To do it, let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on general. So guys, here you can see we have the site title, which is already there. You can change it if you want. Next we have the tagline. You can type something like welcome to my portfolio. Below you can see we have this membership option. Check this box and anyone can register on your website. Now scroll down, you can see we have the time zone. Select your time zone. I am from India, so I'm going to select my time zone, which is right here, UTC plus 5:30. And below that you will see the date format and time format, which is fine for me. Once you are happy with your changes, don't forget to click on save changes because it will keep your changes saved. Then let's look at the writings tab under the settings. Here you don't have to change anything, guys. Let's look at the readings tab. And I'm completely fine with these settings. Let's look at the discussion tab. In the discussion settings, you can see we have different types of options and all of them are self-explanatory. Read the line. If you don't like that feature, uncheck it. If you like it, you can check it. I recommend you to use this option. User must be registered and logged in to comment. Otherwise, there will be more spammer on your website. Rest of things are good here. Scroll down at the very bottom and click on save changes. And skip the media and go to permalinks. This is very important settings that you should use. So guys, here make sure post theme is selected, which is already selected because we imported the demo content. So that's why in all of my videos I always tell you to use a premium theme. Okay, so I'm happy with these settings. Click on save changes, go to privacy So here you have to select your privacy policy page. If you do not have your privacy policy page, go ahead, create your own privacy policy and come to this privacy under your settings and select your privacy policy and then click on use this page. There you go. If you do not know how to create a privacy policy page, go to the description box of this video and create your own privacy policy. Okay, let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, I'm going to show you guys how to customize your portfolio website so that it looks unique. When someone visits your site, it will like your unique own website. Okay, so let's hover your mouse over here, right click, open link in a new tab. So right now this is a demo site. As you know that this is all dummy content over here, you can see. Now let's start customize this website from start to finish. To do it, let's click on customize. Basically, it's pretty straightforward. Just keep watching this video and you will know that how to customize your website, or you can say literally any WordPress website with the same method. Okay, when you go to the customization section, here you will see the list of the items that you can edit. First, we have the WordPress default. But before we start this, I want to let you know that every WordPress theme has a different types of settings, okay? But this WordPress theme has WordPress default, header settings, footer settings, and so on. Let's look at the WordPress default. When you go inside this, you will see more settings. First, we have the site identity. Here, you can add your logo. Let's click on select logo, go to upload file, or you can go to media library. Here, I'm going to select this one, click select, and then click on skip cropping. There you go. We got the logo here, and you can see we still have the option to change the site title. Right now it's portfolio. You can change it whatever you like. Below you can see we have the tagline, which is already there. You can change the tagline of your website if you want, but I'm happy with this tagline. Below you can see we have the site icon, which known as favicon. Let's change that as well. Select this icon. I'm gonna go with the same icon, click select. I'm gonna click on skip cropping, and here you can see we got the favicon over here. Once you're happy with your changes, click on publish. Let's go back. Next we have the header image. So this is the image that we have here. You can change this image or you can hide this image if you want. But right now, let me show you another way to change images or any element of your website. If you look at here, you can see we have this pencil icon. You can scroll down and you can see we got the logo and we got the pencil icon on each section where we can edit our website. Okay, first let's edit this section, this whole section. Click on this pencil icon and it will take you to the editing section from the left side. In the first section, we have the top slider. In this slider, we have two images. You can see here, we have the first image where this girl holding the camera, and the next we have this image right here. Let's change this image. Click on change image. Let's try different image. Let's go with this one. Click on choose image. As soon as you do it, the image will be changed. You can upload your own image if you want. Let's click on this button right here, change image. Click on upload image. Click on select file. Okay, I'm gonna select this image. Click open and then click on choose image. Now look at here, the image will be changed. There you go. You can see we just changed the image. And below you can see that we can upload a third image as well in this slider. Okay, right below that we have the image overlay. Here you can see by default we have this color in the overlay of these images. You can change this color if you want, something like you can change to yellow, whatever color you like you can change from here. Okay, once you select the color, below you can see we have the transparency. This is kind of opacity. If you go to the left side, you can decrease the opacity. If you go higher, you can increase the intensity of this color. Okay, it's all up to you. Whatever color you like to add, you can add it from here. Okay, and below you can see we have this scroll down link. This is portfolio my work section. You can change it if you want. Here you can see this is the button that tells your visitor something like portfolio my work section. And once you're happy with this section, these three slider images, don't forget to click on publish. It will keep your changes saved. Next we have the text. So in this text section, you can change these text like typewriter speed, which is 100. You can increase or decrease the number. Let's keep it 50, and let's see the changes. Next we have the main heading. You can change this main heading if you want. I'm gonna call it my name is Rana. Next we have the typewriter text 1, which is this one. I capture emotion. You can type whatever you like. Next we have typewriter text 2. Like I mentioned earlier, change it according to your work. Okay, typewriter text 3. Next we have these buttons. We have the button link and we have the button name. First button name is explore, second button name is get started, first button link is not available, second button link is not available. Here you can add your button link, like you can add your product link that you offer to your customer. Okay, next we have the style tab. Here you can see we have the heading text color. Here you can change your heading text whatever color you like, add over here. Next we have the typewriter text color. Once you're happy with your changes, next we have the button color. Okay, there you go. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish, guys. Let's go back here, scroll down, and you will see this menu section right here. Now let's edit this menu. Click over here and it will take you to this menu section where you can edit this menu. First we have this menu right here, which is menu home. Click on edit menu. Here you can see we have different types of item added inside this menu. We have home, work, skill, sales, team, plan, so on. So here if you want to remove any item from this menu, simply expand that item, click remove button, and that item will be removed from this menu. And if you want to add any item, click on the add item button, and here you will see we have different types of options that we can use. We have the custom links, we have pages, post, portfolio, categories, tags, and so on. If you go to pages, here you can add blog. There you go, which is already there. I'm going to remove it. Or you can add a custom link. In custom link, you have to add your website URL. I'm going to call it work. In the URL section, I'm going to type hash just for demonstration purposes. And next, click on add to menu. The item will be added to this menu. Okay, so this way you can add any item into this menu or remove any item from this menu. Now let's look at how you can create a drop down menu. First of all, let's click on publish. Let's close this out, and now scroll down a little bit. If you hover your mouse over here, we got a drop down menu over here. In order to create this type of drop down menu, let's go back to customization, go to menus, select your menu. So here you can see we have the drop down menu under the more section. To create another drop down menu, and let's add few items. Let's add checkout and cart. And I'm gonna drag and drop this checkout under the work and cart under the work as well. So let's go ahead, click on publish, close this out, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see we got the drop down menu here. You can keep creating drop down menu under any item. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's go back to menus, select the menu, let's add item. This time go to portfolio, select any item, drag and drop this yellow lady under the checkout page. Great, let's click on publish, let's close this out, and now look at here. You can see you can keep going just like it in order to create a drop down menu on your website. Okay, let's go back to customization and let's look at the other parts of this website. Now scroll down. Here you can see we have this section right here, our services. Click on this pencil icon and it will take you to the editing section from the left side. We are inside the settings tab. We have the style as well. In the settings tab, we have the main heading, which is our services right here. You can change it if you want. Below that, you can see we have the subtitle as well. You can type anything you like over here. And below we have the service content. In the service one, we have the image type, which is icon. And the next we have the image. You can upload image if you want. Next we have the icon, which is right here. You can select any type of icon from this section. Okay, let's select this one. There you go. You see? Next we have the title, which is development. You can change it if you want. Next we have the text. This one, this text, you can change it from here. Next we have the link. Add your development link over here. Next we have the icon color, this icon color. Next we have the icon hover color. When someone hover their mouse over the icon, what color should appear, you can change it from here. Right now we are inside the customization section, so we don't see the hover color. So in the same way, you can change your service second or service third. You can change these services with your own services. Okay, whatever type of service you offer to your customer, you can add over here. You can add as many services as you want. Here you can see we have another button over here, add new service. You can add 4 services over here, or you can say as many services over here if you want. If you want to remove any service, scroll down at the very bottom, click on delete field. That section will be deleted. There you go. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. Now scroll down, let's look at this section, about us. Click on this pencil icon. It'll take you to this section, editing section. But before that, we forget the style inside this services section. Here you can see we have the background option as well, where you can see we have the background color selected. If you like to add background image, you can do that as well. Let's select background image. We have the parallax option on and off. Let's change the image from here. Let's go with something like, maybe let's select this image, click choose. I don't see the background image. Why? I don't know. Let's maybe change different image. Let's change something like this image, select choose. Okay, let's scroll down. We have the background color, which is right here. Scroll down. Now you can see, we see the background image over here. You can increase or decrease the intensity of this color. If you go higher, the image will be disappear. Let's keep it 40 something, around 40. Okay, now you see the image over here. Here you can see we have the heading color. You can change your heading color as well, yellow. Our services, next to a subheading color, I'm gonna keep it yellow. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. As always, scroll down. Let's edit the about us section right now. Here you can see we have the heading, we have the text, and we have the image over here. Let's change the image. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Let's select this image, click choose. We got the image. We have the about us section, or you can say about me, whatever thing you want to type over here. Next we have the style. Here you can see we got 2 options, background color, background image. Whatever you want to add inside this section, you can add. Right now I'm gonna keep it background color because over the top I've added the image, so below I'm gonna add the color. So I'm happy with this section. Click on publish, scroll down. Here you can see next we have this section. Click on this pencil icon. Here you can see I got portfolio skill level. First, I've created the WordPress. This is bar color. If you expand this, here you can see we have the bar color. Let's keep it yellow. I'm going to change it to yellow. There you go. Or maybe let's go with green. So this way you can change the bar color. Scroll down. You can see we have the skill title, which is WordPress, percentage, how much you know about WordPress. You can type something like 70%. Or maybe you can type 100%. So this way you can display your skill level on this section. Okay, you can add as many widgets as you want by clicking on the add widget section. From here, let's search for portfolio, or you can simply go scroll down and find this widget, portfolio line skill, this one right here. Awesome, right? Or basically you can add or remove any section just by simply clicking on delete button. In the same way, we have the style. You can add background color, or you can add background image if you want. Procedure is the same. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. Scroll down. Here you can see we have this section right here, portfolio 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can display your different types of portfolio that you have created on your website. First of all, let's look at how to create this type of portfolio. Then we're gonna edit this section. Okay, let's go to your dashboard. Here, hover your mouse over portfolio, click on portfolio. So by default in the dummy website, we got these type of portfolio. First of all, you have to remove them. Okay, and next add your own portfolio, or you can say your own work. In order to do it, click on add new button. Here add the title. I'm gonna call it WordPress below types about your WordPress portfolio. I'm gonna simply add some text over here. I just added the random text over here. Next, you can see we have the portfolio category. You can add as many category as you want just by clicking on add new portfolio category. Let's go ahead, click on that. I'm gonna call it portfolio WordPress WP. Okay, and then click on add new portfolio category, and we have added this WordPress portfolio into this portfolio category. Okay, under this portfolio category, scroll down and select your featured image. I'm going to select this image just for demonstration purposes, and then click on set feature image. Now scroll up, click on publish. That's pretty much it. So this is how you create your own portfolio. Once you do it, go to dashboard. Now go to your customization section, refresh the page. Now scroll down. So here, click on this pencil icon under this section. Here you can see we have the main heading, we have the subheading. You can change it if you want. Next, we have the choose container width, which is normal. You can play around with these settings. You can change it to full width or normal. It's all up to you. Portfolio type, right now it's a default. You can change it to custom if you want. Next, we have the shortcode, and we have the choose portfolio layout, which is 2 grid. As you can see, you can change it to 3 or 4 grid. Let's try it 3 grid. There you go. Let's change back to 2 grid, and I'm going to add this portfolio WP category over here. Now scroll down. If you click on load more, under the portfolio 1, we have only these categories. Okay, if you go to portfolio WP, here you can see I've got this WordPress portfolio. So this way you can create your own different types of portfolio for your customer or your visitor of your portfolio website. Okay, once you're happy with your changes, guys, don't forget to click on publish. And the same thing goes with this style tab. Here you can change your background color, your text color, your portfolio color. Just play around with it. You'll find out how simple is it to change literally anything. So guys, I'm not gonna waste your time. Rest of things are the same. Just keep scrolling down, clicking on this pencil icon, and change the text, the image, and the button text, button color, so on and so forth. It's literally simple, guys. Just play around with it, and you will learn this customization section by yourself by spending your little more time. If you still don't understand the customization section, how to customize a WordPress website, or you can say literally any website, I've already created a separate video for you guys. Go to the description box of this video and watch my WordPress customization tutorial and learn how to customize any WordPress website. So I'm gonna close it. Alright, so we completed the customization section. Alright guys, so now let's look at what are the next thing you have to do on your website. First of all, you have to install a SSL certificate on your website once you completely design your website. When you see this type of message, that means your website does not have SSL certificate. You have to install SSL certificate in order to secure your website, in order to keep your website visitor sensitive information safe. And SSL certificate stands for Secure Socket Layer, which keeps your visitor sensitive information saved. So very important to have SSL certificate on your website. If you want to know how to install SSL certificate on your website for free, just watch my other video. You will find that video link in the video description as well. Next, you have to submit your website on popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other. That will help your website rank on first page on any of these search engines. If you want to know how to submit your website on these popular search engines, you can check out my other video. I've already created that video for you guys. You will find that video link in the video description. So now I hope you install a SSL certificate and you submit your website on Google search engine. And there are a few other things that you can do in your website. Just go to the description box of this video and watch my playlist, what to do next after creating a WordPress website. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you next time.